This is our 2019 Volvo ECR235EL. Done 6,240 hours from new. Maintained on a fleet of other machines in its class. It's a well-spec machine. You do have obviously hammer rotate pipe work there, hydraulic quick hitch. This Strickland bucket is included in the sale of the machine. So you can look up there, hammer and rotate pipe work. Look at the undercarriage. Machine has now been prepped by our team internally and externally, so it is cleaned. The only thing remaining would be a full PDI before it leaves us to ensure that it arrives on site with yourself ready to work. We can finance these machines as well, so if you do need finance, please get in touch and we can find you some indicative rates. As well as that, transport wise, we can transport these across the UK and also handle export across Europe, America and Canada and around the world. So if you have any transport requirements, get in touch with us and we can arrange that for you as well. These machines can be fitted with a Leica GPS system, so if Leica GPS is something that you require, you can get in touch with us. That goes for all of our machines. We have access to those GPS kits and can install as well. And here we are on the inside of the machine. As you can see, prepped internally by ourselves as well. Cab's in really good condition. Right hand side there, you've obviously got controls for wipers, engine speed, etc. Also tool selection, 2-speed tracking, hydraulic hitch. So it is a very nice, well-spec'd cab.